anern Evo 8200. Sounds like popping and cracking sounds. From a glance, it seems a capacitor is blown.
Remember the days we were young,
A little dusting.
basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day.
Remove too bad electrolytic capacitor. Clean all electrolyte left on the board. After a few minutes, air drying will replace both capacitor clean leftover flux.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out.
Initial test if they're still cracking. Pop in sounds. Test with load. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.